Welcome to Crypto Corner. Hi, my name is Nicole, and today we're going to go over how to store and stake your Cardano on a Yoroi wallet. So stay tuned. The Yoroi Wallet is a great wallet for anyone who wants to stake their Cardano with or without a hardware wallet like a Ledger Nano or a Trezor, with a lightweight option without downloading the full node blockchain like the dataless wallet. So the Yoroi Wallet is a web extension that you just download the extension onto your computer, either with Chrome or with Firefox or with Brave. Now today I'm using Brave. That's the browser I prefer to interact with when I'm dealing with cryptocurrency. If I need to use any sort of web browser at all with cryptocurrency. So with Cardano, it's one of those coins that you can actually store on a hardware wallet like the Trezor and the Ledger, but you cannot interact with the interfaces that Ledger and Trezor have within their wallets. Like Ledger has Ledger Live and Trezor has their own desktop version where you can actually see your balances. You need a Cardano wallet to be able to send, receive, and delegate to the pools in order to stake those Cardanos. You need to do that through a wallet like Yoroi. So today we're going to set up the Yoroi wallet. So on the Brave browser, we're going to go to Extensions, and we're going to go to the web store, and we're just going to search for the Yoroi wallet, and it should come up. Okay, there it is. And so we're going to add that to Brave and add extension. And you can see it comes up here. It's like this little blue arrow icon, and it has been added. So we click on, so we go to our extensions. And we are English speaking, so continue. And now it goes through the terms and conditions of the wallet. And Yoroi has stated actually on their website that for security, they actually, the private keys are encrypted and they're never shared with our servers or third-party providers. In order to preserve your privacy, Yoroi Wallet does not even implement analytics. So those are good security features. And it does reiterate here that it doesn't track your behavior, it doesn't sell your data, and it doesn't run analytics to third-party trackers. So all of that is really great, but you always want to go over and quickly scan and read, probably even more so the privacy aspect of it, and just make sure that you're okay with consenting to or agreeing to what the information that they're going to take from you. So it goes over taxes and fees, termination, normal legalese, terminology that we all love to just sort of skip over and not read. So we're going to agree to the terms and hit continue. And then for the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to click on simple today and just keep it simple. And then do we want to allow Cardano payment URLs? This is for friends and businesses by simply clicking a URL, sharing invoices. Okay, skip that for now. Okay, so now we just need to create our wallet. Let's say you currently don't have a hardware wallet, but it's something that you want to invest in the future, but maybe you've ordered one and you're waiting for it to arrive, and you simply just want to get your Cardano off of the exchanges right now and into your own control, and you just want to create a wallet quickly. Then you will go here and you will click on Cardano, create a wallet. You can name that wallet. And then you will create a spending password. Now you want to make sure that this is strong. This is what allows you to encrypt your wallet and keeps your funds safe. and you will need to use it every time you log into your wallet or when you are transacting with your wallet, sending and receiving and delegating to a staking pool. So you do want to make it strong, but I'm just going to keep it simple for the purposes of today's demonstration. Create personal wallet. So we are going to be shown 15 random words, and that is going to be our mnemonic phrase, which is actually our private keys. This is something you never ever want to store online on your computer, nor do you want to take a screenshot of it and have that stored on your phone or anything like that. You want to write it down on a piece of paper, and you want to keep it in a safe place. If anybody has access to these 15 words, they can access your funds and withdraw it without you knowing and deposit it into their wallet, and you'll have very little recourse in ever recovering those funds. So we click on here, we hit continue, and these are the 15 words you've written down. You say, yes, I've written them down. And it will actually ask you to verify that you've written them down correctly in the correct order. And then once you've done that, you will actually be able to create your wallet. And then that is how you actually create a wallet without a hardware wallet. Now, I've currently got my Ledger, so I'm actually going to connect this with a hardware wallet, and we're going to do it with the Ledger today. And it's asking us if it's a Byron read-only wallet or a Shelley era wallet. Now, the Byron wallets, they were created before July of 2020. They are the old wallets. It's essentially before Cardano had the staking option. So all new wallets are Shelley era wallets that you want to stake. Now, if you're holding your Cardano in a wallet, why not stake it? So you'll want to click on Shelley era wallet, and then it's asking us to make sure our Ledger is connected and that we are signed in. So I'm just going to quickly enter our PIN. And then you also want to make sure that you're logged into the Cardano app. Now, if you do not have the Cardano app on your Ledger, then you want to log into your Ledger Live, go to the Manager tab, and then you'll want to make sure that you've installed the Cardano app on your Ledger. And then we can click on Next, and we're connected. And then it's asking us to choose the device that we're using. I'm using the Nano S. Click on here and click Connect. Okay, so it's asking us to check our public key on our Ledger. So I just want to quickly check it and approve it. And then we can change our wallet name if we like, or we can just leave it as it is and click on Save. And our Yoroi Wallet has been created. So whether you created it with the 15-word mnemonic phrase or used a hardware wallet like the Ledger or the Trezor, you will actually come to this screen, and where you can see the dashboard. It's got our summary of the ADA. Now currently I just created this wallet, so it's going to be 0. I still need to send funds here. But let's have a look at the interface. So we've got transactions. So this is where you would see your incoming and outgoing transactions. And here's where you will send your Cardano if you ever want to send it out. And this is our receive address. So this is the address we will want to use to send our Cardano to this wallet. This is actually kind of a nice feature that it's got the generate new address on here. If you have anybody that is sending you Cardano as a payment or as a friend, you want to always generate a new address. And then it's got voting, but it's not supported by Ledger. Now, when we're looking at a pool to delegate to, we've got the ROA, which is the return on the annualized investment for the year. So 5.28%, for example, is the interest that you would earn on your Cardano for the year if you were to go with a Kiwi pool. And then the share pool size is the amount of Cardano that is within that pool. And you want this to be on the lower side. So to me, these are all quite high. I know that Cardano considers 64 million to be that limit where they believe the pool is no longer decentralized. So these are getting close to 64 million. And this also could be classified as saturation on some of the other pool website, like the pool tools and stuff like that. So here we've got, it's a little bit smaller pool size, 42 million, and you can see it's more green. There's less red in the pie. So it's a better pool to sort of start looking at. But then again, it's got this 0% fee, because we also want to look at costs. So you will always see a percentage as well as a fixed cost. The fixed cost, 340, is the minimum for a pool operator, and it is not 340 ADA for you. It is divided amongst all of the people who are delegating in that pool. So you and all of the other delegators are paying 340 to make sure that node is running properly. Now I know that the 340 can change. I have seen it as high as 500. Here we've got one at 420, but overall the cost between 340 and 420 is not significant. Now the operators, they actually choose the percentage, and that goes to them for operating the nodes, the requirements for the hardware that it takes to run the pool, the time that it takes for them to ensure that the pool is online 100% of the time. So, when somebody has a 0% fee, that is a little bit of an iffy spot for me. I actually want to be able to pay somebody to make sure and ensure that pool is online and is operating smoothly and is, receiving as many blocks as it can and functioning at its most optimum rate. So I'm okay with paying a fee for somebody who can actually maintain and manage, and that's what the fee is for. So that is a personal choice for you as well. And the pledge is actually the amount of Cardano that the operator actually has in their own pool. So for example, this goat stake, they have 1 million Cardano within the pool themselves. I like to see this at least at 100,000. I think the pool operator should actually have some skin in the game and be incentivized to make sure that pool is operating at its full potential, because if it's not earning the rewards, then their 1 million Cardano are also not earning any rewards. And then for blocks, these are the blocks that the rewards that you receive within one epoch. With Cardano, an epoch is every 5 days we are earning rewards. So the higher the blocks, the more rewards you will receive. But also I find that the higher blocks are associated with those that also have a larger pool size. So it's a little bit of a balancing act there. But that is what these variables mean for delegating a pool. Also, your rewards are compounded. So when you earn rewards every 5 days from one epoch, they will actually automatically go into your wallet, and you will start earning rewards on your earned interest as well. So over the year, the compounding interest can really add up, and your rewards will just continue to grow. Gotta love compounding interest. So that is how you create, store, and delegate your Cardano for staking on the Yoroi Wallet. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. Please hit like and subscribe, and remember, we've got the Cardano video where we're going to be talking about how to choose the most profitable staking pool, and that will be coming out very shortly. So make sure you don't miss that one. Until then, we're loving the crypto life. Take care.